Hey there, fellow Bitcoin enthusiasts. It's your host, Echo, diving into today's episode where we decode the digital gold rush. We've all hit those nerve wracking market whirlwinds, but before you let the chaos ride your emotional roller coaster, it's time to switch gears. I'll tell you why in our feature article, Bitcoin Woes. Skip the freak out, just geek out. Stay tuned and enrich your crypto wisdom, because when the market gets shaky, the savvy investor hits the books. Don't panic, read. In the dynamic world of investing, knowledge isn't just power, it's your safety net. As an investor, particularly in the complex realm of Bitcoin, understanding what you own is more than a cursory glance at graphs and numbers. It's about making an informed commitment to your investment choices. Embarking on the Bitcoin journey without homework is like navigating a labyrinth without a map. The cryptocurrency landscape is influenced by various factors: macroeconomic trends, political decisions, game theory, network adoption, and even the nuances of the banking system. These elements can cause the value of Bitcoin to fluctuate wildly, which means staying educated isn't just advisable, it's essential. When you study your investment, you look beyond the surface. You unearth the mechanisms of supply and demand, the halving cycles that affect scarcity, and the tech advancements that bolster security and usability. You learn about the historical context that shaped Bitcoin's creation and the potential it has to reshape our financial future. Discipline is your ally. It resists the emotional tug of market highs and lows, keeping you focused on long-term goals rather than short-term scares. After all, the volatility of Bitcoin is not for the faint-hearted. It's for the disciplined investor who sees beyond the temporary choppiness to the potential horizon of change. In the end, investing without understanding is like setting sail on choppy seas without knowing how to navigate. Equip yourself with knowledge, be disciplined in your strategy, and anchor your decisions in education. Remember, in the tides of Bitcoin investment, don't panic, read. And that wraps up another episode of Echoes of the Blockchain. Remember, folks, in the tumultuous seas of Bitcoin investment, you must be as fluid and adaptable as water. Never panic, just read. Now, if today's deep dive illuminated your path or sparked curiosity, please support our journey of discovery. Like, share, comment, and let us grow together. Every like stabilizes our ship, every share widens our horizon, and every comment steers our course. Until next time, as WBTM Voice wisely said, be water, my friends. Stay informed and stay connected. Echo out.